Did you lose money with crypto trading in the last days and the last weeks? I can tell you it's not your fault. I can tell you exactly why you lost money. I can tell you exactly the reason behind all of this. I can tell you it will not stop. It will keep going like this. But I have good news. I can show you how you can start to make money with trading, even if you're not a professional, even if you don't know how to trade. I will give you the exact formula in the next 5 minutes. Please stay tuned because there's something going on. Even if you're interested in what I will tell you, the solution that I can offer you to avoid losing money, but anyway, you will learn something very important in this video. In the last days and weeks, I have seen the technical analysis, it's not working anymore, and I can tell you why. And maybe you were surprised, oh, I did a good technical analysis, I learned trading, I saw it very clear, and boom, I got liquidated. Yeah, you know why it is? There is a group of people, I'm sure that these are Wall Street people, very skilled traders, very skilled investors, and they are manipulating the crypto market. They are manipulating the crypto market. And why they're doing this? They're doing this because first of all, they want our money, and second of all, because there are not enough regulations in the crypto market. So you can just manipulate the crypto market and get away with it. You don't get any kind of punishment because it's not illegal, and they started to understand it. The crypto market is very, very liquid, and you can manipulate them very easy, and you get not punished for it. They can, for example, say, hey, it's a good time to buy stocks. Or they can say, it's a good time to buy Ethereum, thank me later, okay? And then 3 hours later, somebody can come, a very powerful person, and can say, oh, it's everything screwed up, we will, whatever, and boom, everybody got liquidated. So it's your fault. Your analysis was wrong. No, it's just a manipulation, a market manipulation. People that got the power to manipulate the market are manipulating the market, period. And you can be the best trader in the world, the best analyst in the world. You have no control over it. And you can say it on the contrary, oh yeah, whenever somebody is saying something positive, and yeah, we just go to the downside, but then no bad news are coming and you got liquidated in your shorts. Even just look, yesterday, Bitcoin on 103,000, pumps to 105. Okay, it crashes down to 101 again. Today, in the morning, I was still sleeping, it pumped to 107, then it crashed down again. Do you think this is normal? This is a normal market movement? No, it's not. It's all a manipulation. But you can still make money with it. How? I have seen, and I have lost money. I have lost money in the last days. I'm trading for more than 6 years. I'm 10 years in crypto. I have made millions with crypto. I have lost millions with crypto. Okay, that's it. But I have lost money also in the last weeks by trading. My trading strategy that had always worked is not working anymore. Why? Because the market is manipulated. Okay? And I know always the bad traders that always lose money say, oh, it's manipulation. But trust me, I have made much money with crypto. I have a very, very good efficiency, a very good hit rate, but it's not working anymore. So now, here's the solution. I have tested some crypto trading robots in the last day, and I know what you will say. Oh no, get out of here. This is robots, it's not working. And yeah, it's true. There are a lot of robots that are not working. 100%. But I have seen some very good robots that are really, really effective, highly effective, and have made good money with it. Why? Because the robot, he don't care about news. He is not emotionally attached to something, to an analysis. He will never say, oh, it should go up, it should go down. Oh, it feels good to buy, it feels bad to buy. He just execute without emotions, emotionless, mechanical trading rules. And I'm testing this bot now for sometimes. I have not talked about it because I was not sure what will be the outcome. And now I'm sure this is the solution, because whether they manipulate the market to the upside or to the downside, they bot just buy, sell, buy, sell, sell. You know, he don't care about the news. He don't even listen to the news, and he's trading 24/7 for you, and he don't charge you a single cent. He never got sick. He never asked for a day off. He never wants to relax or have a break. Never, So just think about it. All the people that are scared, we will lose our jobs, we will lose our income, AI will cause so much damage. And it's true, because just to give you an example, I'm in a taxi, okay? I'm in a taxi, and they are driverless taxis already, okay? So the taxi driver, he will lose his job. He will lose his job. And what will he do, Because now an AI is doing his job, okay? So the solution is very easy. Make robots and AI work for you. Let them make money for you. Okay? So that's exactly the solution that I'm giving you. I will give you tomorrow some more details. I will give you exactly a little bit of insights of the trades that my bot have done. And I'm talking to the owners, of the creators of the bot. And I'm trying to get a free version for my community. So if you think, hey, this sounds good, I lost a lot of money, I think also the market is manipulated, I want this bot, I want to try this bot for free, then just leave me a comment, subscribe, because every single day now I will give you updates. I will talk about this bot, okay? Even you can use them in any part of the world, so there's no restrictions, but obviously you need an exchange. If you don't have an exchange, just register here in Bybit or in Blowfin. Blowfin is non-KYC, have like 10%. 10% you get back from your trading fees as a bonus, and Bybit have up to $30,500 in deposit bonus and welcome bonus. So this is the first step. Here you have the links. Register your account, verify the account if you can verify it. If you cannot verify it, if you live in a country where Bybit not works, use Blowfin, they don't have KYC. And then I will show you step by step how you can use the bots, how you can make AI and robots work for you, how you can make that AI and robots 24/7 work for you without you paying them. Instead of being scared of AI and robots, you use them to make money, okay? Thank you very much. Leave a comment, leave a like, and see you tomorrow with some results of the robot. Bye bye.